Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. I'm your host, Ron, and if you've been watching the show, well, you know we've been tracking some major moves in the gold market. So a couple of weeks ago, we asked, are central banks ditching the US dollar and turning to gold instead? Well, now we have an update, and it's even bigger than we thought. According to new insights, central banks around the world may be buying twice as much gold as official numbers suggest. You heard that right, twice as much. So why are we seeing this in the data? It's because these banks are bypassing traditional markets. They're buying gold directly from miners in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. That means no US dollar, no New York Fed, no London bullion market. Just straight up physical gold. And that's a big deal. You see, central banks are no longer content with just owning gold. They want to control it physically. This shift isn't just symbolic, it's strategic. By cutting out Western financial systems, these nations are insulating themselves from US sanctions, SWIFT restrictions, and dollar-based leverage. Analysts are calling this move a game changer. And here's the kicker. Anytime gold dips, central bank buying kicks in. So that's putting a high floor under the gold price, meaning it's becoming harder and harder for gold to fall because demand is coming from the most powerful buyers in the world. Nation states. China, in particular, is making major moves behind the scenes. They're importing far more gold than official numbers show, and they're not storing it in New York. They're keeping it at home. Now you might be thinking, what does this mean for everyday Americans like us? It means the long-term case for gold has never been stronger. If central banks are scrambling to reduce their dollar exposure and hold more gold, shouldn't you be thinking about doing the same? And that's where Goldco comes in. With over $3 billion in precious metals placed and 7,000 five-star reviews, Goldco is one of the most trusted names in the business. You see, they work directly with world mints to ensure the security and authenticity of your gold and silver. And right now, Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit delivered straight to your door. Just click the link below to get yours and learn how gold could fit into your financial future. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk quickly about silver because while gold's getting the spotlight, silver is quietly making its own moves. Silver is up well over 25% this year, recently hitting $38 an ounce, its highest level in nearly 14 years. But what's behind the surge? Well, it's two words: demand and deficit. Industrial demand for silver is just booming, especially in the solar industry, which now accounts for 32% of total demand. Then add in electric vehicles, AI-driven tech growth, and electronics, and well, you've got a massive wave of consumption. And then at the same time, supply just isn't keeping up. We're now in the 5th straight year of a global silver deficit, with mining supply remaining flat due to silver being mostly a byproduct of other metals. And it's that mismatch, soaring demand and tight supply, which is creating a structural imbalance. Some analysts are calling this a silver bull market with legs. And it's not just industrial. As inflation persists and global uncertainty grows, silver's role as a safe haven is back in focus, especially with central banks like Russia recently adding silver to their reserve for the first time in decades. So whether it's for your retirement account's growth potential or as a hedge, silver might deserve a closer look, especially if gold's price is already climbing. That's it for today's market update. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I want you to reply with a comment to this question. Do you think the dollar's dominance is fading? And again, if you're looking to add gold or silver to your retirement account, well, Goldco is here to help. And right now, they're offering a free gold and silver kit delivered straight to your door. Just click the link below to get yours today and learn how gold and silver could fit into your financial future. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and keep shining.